The smell of a home-cooked meal wafts through the air of this bustling room filled with new mothers trying out a new recipe. At the same time, they're learning more about how to incorporate nutritious foods into their family's daily diet. Jennifer Wakagijic is a nutritionist and has been living and working in the North for several years. She says she's noticing a gradual shift in lifestyle.
People who are used to eating traditional country food and used to living on the land, there's been a huge transition to people living more in urban places, and the whole food supply has changed. So sometimes people are looking at the shelves and at foods that are not very familiar, or they may not have knowledge or skills about how to choose the best nutritious foods and how to prepare them.
Today, these women are cooking tomato macaroni casserole. Their workshop covers everything from buying to cooking and finally serving meals to their families. Important life skills that will be handed down through generations.
The reality is that people eat both store-bought and traditional food, so it's really knowing, well, how to choose from the range of choices in the store and how to bring that together in a day, eating traditional food and store-bought food.
Nutrition education, as part of Nutrition North Canada, aims to increase knowledge of healthy eating, improve skills in choosing and preparing healthy store-bought and country or traditional foods. Nutrition North Canada nutrition education total funding is $2.9 million each year for fully eligible First Nations and Inuit communities. This class is all part of a new initiative supporting Nutrition North Canada, bringing healthy, fresh and frozen foods to isolated northern communities. Because making the food accessible is one thing, but it's equally as important to learn how to be creative with the store-bought and country food available and prepare a variety of healthy meals for you and your family. Nutrition North Canada replaces the Food Mail program. For more information about which foods are eligible, your community's subsidy rate, and related health promotion programs, log on to nutritionnorthcanada.gc.ca.